Hello friends, suppose you have gone to an interview and you are asked a question by the interviewer in the interview that this is the data and find out the answer. So you will start multiplying this cell with this cell, and when you click enter you will get the value error. To fix this issue, what you have to do, you have to simply, what I'm doing the procedure, follow just it. Click hold the cell where your data is available, click right click and then format cell. Also you can do the shortcut key Ctrl+1, so you will get this screen. Then click on custom and here click in general and erase it, and here you have to type 0 double code the unit of kg. Okay, I'm doing in the uppercase and click on OK. After that, similarly you have to do for this as well. So select the cell where your data is available, format cell, go in custom, click in general, erase it, and here you have to type 0 double code value rs and then close it. Then OK. Same for in total as well, you have to do it Ctrl+1, custom, erase it, and then here you have to type 0 and which unit you want, so you have to do here and OK. Now if you see, if you type any value here like 35 multiplied by 20, okay, so automatically this units comes, and now you have to do here equals to multiplied by this cell with this cell. If you enter here you will get the value here. Okay, no error is here found. So anything in this whole cell you can type 23 multiplied by 50, so this multiplied by this, so you can see here the value is coming with unit as well. Okay, if you like the video, tap on heart button, click on subscribe, click on bell button so that you will get latest my videos on your screen. Okay, let's meet in another video. Till time, take care.